Right, the reviews for your movie should be in by now. Go on Rotten Tomatoes. Yeah, go on. I think maybe we should go for a different approach.
You don't understand. It was the dream.
It wasn't. It wasn't.
No.
It was a nightmare.
Lenny.
Yeah, so I was thinking we could do like a documentary kind of thing.
Isn't that like nature?
Yeah, precisely. And we could do like cutaways to us.
I don't
Cutaways.
understand.
You know, a cutaway. This is a really dumb idea.
Nature. It's amazing the way all of these things overlap. Things work together to become stronger. Like a one lion is useless, but as a pride, they will fight. Don't you just think, you look out at the world and it's amazing. The stars, the sun, the trees form majestic structures. And don't you just think it's amazing that the sun feeds the grass and the grass feeds the mammals?
I'll give it a 6.
Ow! Matt, okay, that twig absolutely
Matt the
smacked
medic,
me.
could you come in and dock leaf my leg, please?
Medic.
You can dock leaf your own leg.
Matt, get in.
I don't have first aid though. I don't have first aid.
I hate to break it to you, I don't have first aid either. You get a dock leaf, you break the stem, and where's the wound, Will? You rub it in. There were no dock leaves there, so on Will's nettle wound, I was just rubbing more nettles in. Dock leaf, no. Dock leaf, no.
We're still looking for a dock leaf.
Will!
What?
Will! Will!
Yeah?
It's our fresh trim.
It is indeed. Check it.
Oh my gosh!
See you there? Oh, he's gonna murder us.
No,
You've lost it.
Survival
Yeah.
is all about preparedness.
Okay.
Who are we tracking?
Kenny Langford.
What are you making, Ben?
A trap. Anything, you know, pretty much anything in a 5-mile radius that wants your blood, they want your scent. They're going to be attracted to that. Planned for this hours in before, but this it's called Under V Chili D. I have no idea how to make a trap. A bit of soil, you know, just kind of sprinkle that.
Guys, I don't want to alarm you. I think we're about to get murdered. Who's that guy?
Oh my god! Are you okay?
No, I'm alright. I've just fallen for these great prices. Hi, I'm Bill and I'm here to talk to you about Will's merch, a great new opportunity for Will fans to invest and support the channel. Will's merch is the best one-stop shop for the best merch in the game. The freshest merch you will ever see.
Where's that music coming from?
Click the link in the description for all your Will's merch shopping needs.
That was pretty weird. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. Should we go? Yeah, let's just go. Yeah.
Guys, I've got no idea how to get home.
So, Bill, where did you come from? What are you doing out here?
I'm not really sure, but my name's Bill B.
Bill B. What does the B stand for?
The moon. It's a Pinkleford yellow. I'm Bill B and I'm ready to sting.
Holy
Hi, yes, I'm Bill, part-time werebee. Now you have to understand the employment laws forbid employers from discriminating against werebees, even if they are werebees. So yes, I felt a little bit, ridiculed.